to all sepak takraw players and to all who want to be a sepak takraw players. Today's vlog videos, I want you to show my backflip presentation. So if you are a new viewers of my channel, please like and subscribe. Don't forget so that you're updated in my new videos. So watch and learn. Okay, if you want to do backflip style, we need before that we need to be we have to stretching to our body. So if you are a beginner who how to learn a backflip, so if you want to try, if you have no beach near in your house, so use foam or sofa bed like this. Like this. So you use this foam to practice. Like that. So until you finish, until you succeed and you know how to backflip, better backflip. So that's why if you want to be uh, you want to try backflip presentation, so practice, always practice, and don't be brave, and you just uh, don't be fear, and trust yourself, be confident.